bite me.
Stop it!
Stop resisting.
Call 911, please! They kill my kids! Sir, call 911! It's a fake police for the drug dealers, sir!
The last bus comes at 8:30.
Back off! That's my problem. I don't want you close to me. You doing power abuse.
It's going to be down there
Call
at 8:30.
911, please, mama.
I am 911. The bus is coming at
You're
8:30.
not a 911. You're a fake police working for the drug dealers.
50 Charlie, signal 22.
Can you call 911, please? That's all I ask. Tell them that I'm going to be a stand-up and the bus stop. Please. He's just trying to mess with me because my kid being stolen for
Trying to
the
get you
drug
on the
dealers.
bus that comes at 8:30. It's coming at the
I don't want you close to me. Back off, fake police. You're doing power abuse.
Signal 22 at the front of the airport.
Okay? I was asking the guy what time the local bus coming.
It's
And
8:30.
you just came here to try to kick me out. Why? Because you protected the freaking
I've been
drug
trying to kick
dealers.
you out.
My God, I've been raped
Can you come out of the road for me? I
stolen.
need you to come out of the road.
Back off.
Come out of the road for me.
On March 9th, 2023, she asked an airport cop about free or discounted flights, like the airport ran a charity booth. When she couldn't find anything, she got mad, wandered off, and started pestering random passengers. The cop approached again, so she snapped and unloaded a verbal tirade on him.
Can you call someone call 911 please and call for an officer? He's trying to kick me out because I was asking for you what time the local bus is coming. I'm not inside. I just need to someone call 911.
Do you want to get on the bus or not? It's down. It's going to come down there at 8:30.
Get off. Back off. You don't have the right to keep harassing me.
Nobody's harassing you.
Sir, can you call 911 please?
Right now, you're causing a disturbance. All right.
I need a real police. I don't want to talk with him. He's harassing me. I have the right to stand up and the bus stop. And he's harassing me because he's protecting the drug dealer.
She screamed the cops were fake and protecting drug dealers, all while blocking the road and refusing to move. She yelled for everyone to call 911, ignored every command, and kept provoking. In the end, officers had to step in. She practically staged her own takedown.
Right now, all you're doing is yelling and causing
I'm not afraid.
disturbance.
What are you going to do? You're going to shoot me?
No, I want you to get on the bus and leave. It's going to be coming at 8:30.
At 8:30?
And it's going to be down there.
Yes,
where that
but
is.
you're there.
So let's walk back
So
down there.
I walk here because you follow me. So stop
Walk
following me and
walk
back
back
off.
down. I'll watch you walk back
Go
down there.
back to the school
back on the
and
sidewalk.
learn how human rights are because you just work for the drug dealer.
Come back on the sidewalk and walk down there.
Shut up. Go your mother, okay? And back off.
Thank you. Don't walk in the road for me. I'm gonna
It's
have
my decision and my life and you know how you bother me.
you need to get off the road. You need to get off the road. All right? No, I'm not. I want you to get off the road.
Man, someone call 911.
I want you to get
He
off the
wants
road.
to kill me.
Stay right here. Stay right here. Don't bite me.
Get off! Get off! Someone call 911! He's harassing me!
Yep. You want to grab her other arm?
Get
Stop
off!
resisting.
If you resist, it's going to get
Stop
tighter.
resisting
Stop
and kicking.
resisting and kicking the officer.
Stop resisting.
You're the one harassing me! Kicking me!
843. She's fighting.
Stop harassing me! Coward, you're gonna have consequences!
It's going to
Okay?
get tighter. It's going to get tighter. Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
This person is the drug! Open the drug dealers! You think you're gonna get away with this, right? You don't have idea.
Additional units, GPD Channel 1 is 1033, GPD
Someone
Channel 1.
call
Stop
911.
resisting.
He's doing power
Stop
abuse.
resisting.
Stop resisting!
Stop resisting.
He's a man! Hurry me!
Which is Channel 2, 2019 hours.
Find the other one.
There it is. Don't hit me.
I don't to that.
Yeah, break it! Yeah, break it!
Put your twist over.
Break it!
I don't want to break it. I'm trying to reach you.
Got it?
Don't bite me.
Stop it!
Stop resisting.
Call 911, please! These police are fake police working for the drug dealers!
Airport advice.
They kill my kids! Sir, call 911! It's a fake police for the drug dealers, sir! Call 911, sir, please!
Stop resisting.
Sir,
Quiet. He tried to be nice to you. Come on.
he's not trying to be nice. He was harassing me when I was...
You gotta ask. You tried to
Stop resisting.
Get away!
Stop resisting.
Evil! Fake police, you work for the drug dealer who killed my kids!
Stop resisting.
Get away!
Hand behind your back.
No! Evil! Fake police coward! That's the only thing you have to do, protect the drug dealers and kill Juanes a little.
Bus.
I was waiting for the bus and that is cameras. You're the one messing with me.
Put your hand behind your back.
Stop fighting.
Stop fighting.
843.
You're gonna have consequences.
Let go.
She's still fighting, biting.
He using power abuse. There is 2 men hurting me,
Stop
my arms and my
fighting.
legs.
Stop resisting.
He was following me to the bus stop and he don't leave me alone. He's doing harassment.
Once officers restrained her, she went full meltdown, screaming conspiracy theories, calling cops demons, claiming they protect her child's killer, then biting an employee while kicking and thrashing like a possessed windmill, pure chaos, zero breaks.
I don't want her to bite me.
Stop it. You want to get cuffed this way? Or you want to get cuffed the right way?
Just got it.
You're gonna have consequences. Sooner or later.
Alright.
Coward.
I'm gonna wait right here until
Oh,
another
yeah.
officer comes.
You think you're gonna get away with this abuse? That's the only thing you do.
843.
Treat a man in
10-4.
minority like that.
I got her detained, but she's still fighting.
He harassing me at the bus stop, sir. You just covered up the drug dealers. I was outside waiting for my bus and he was messing with me. Call 911, please. I need a real
At the front.
police here. This man has been abusive.
You're helping you. What's wrong with you?
I was asking help with them but because I have a situation because the drug dealer killed my kids and I raped her. They tried to protect the drug dealers.
Come on. The police was nice to you.
He's not a
Tried
nice.
to tell you what to do.
He's not in front of other people, but now when he was alone with me at the bus stop.
Did you see everything that happened?
Yes.
Oh,
Can I
yes.
get you to
Yeah.
stay for a minute, if it will, just so I can get your name after we get
And
her?
you think you're gonna
in the
cover
car?
up your ass? With that? You don't have the idea who I am. And you see the consequences. There is camera that I came to the bus stop to wait for my bus.
She kept trying to bite and blocked cops from fixing her cuffs while yelling she was abused. The security worker she actually bit ended up with torn skin and a hospital trip. Her teeth did the damage. Her mouth did the lying.
I'm not gonna forget this ugly face and to your entire life. He's harassing me at the bus stop and he's hiring me 2 men. Okay.
It's not true.
Sir,
So it's kind of wrapped around her.
Ow.
Weird. So
She was biting us.
yeah, biting. So just be
All
careful.
units can slow down.
Shit, how many units you need up there?
Probably one more and a half. Signal 38 here.
yeah, that's the man that thinks that you will arrive for police.
I'm not trying to cover in the butt. Whatever you want to do. I just know that she bit me. Where did
The
she bite
money
you
of
at?
the drug dealer paid is not gonna be enough. You're gonna represent my head to the whole
I'm
life.
comfortable trying to put it in the
Yeah.
bag. You are.
Because they throw me on the floor.
Listen to me. Listen to me.
Sir,
If you bite me, you're going to regret it.
no, sir.
Understand? We are going to move your handcuffs. We are going to move your handcuffs to the back. Behave.
I respect the man who
Okay.
respects her, but he
Okay.
was harassing. Check the camera, sir.
Okay.
Please.
Once again,
Don't,
you're going to put your handcuffs in back. Do not bite me.
Sir, he was on drop me first.
You have keys.
Check the cameras. I don't ask you put the hand on fire for what I say. Just check the cameras.
Wrist, if you just want to hold her head. Here.
Check the cameras.
Do you have that on? Do you want to get that on, silly?
Don't worry, you can do it. I can
I got
listen to you. I know how to respect, but he was abusive.
I'm gonna undo the cuff on that arm that I'm giving you. Cuff staying on ours, Ethan.
Just check the camera, sir.
Okay.
He was harassing me on the bus stop, and I was yelling to somebody, call 911, a real police, put me away from him. Just put me away from this man, please. That's all I ask. Get out from me. Can you hold me? Take away this man from
Take
me,
a seat.
please.
Hold on.
That's all I ask. Take his hand away from me, please.
My hands on not his.
Can you pick up my paper or send somebody because that's the identification that I have. Please.
Hold on, man.
No, it's okay. Take my bag. Don't let him touch it. Take my stuff.
We'll handle it.
Take your body hand from my purse.
Stop.
Please,
Listen
sir.
to me. We're trying to take off a set of handcuffs.
Yes.
So stop.
Take you.
What is
I
your
don't
name?
trust him. Mercedes.
Mercedes. Okay.
Take my stuff and put this man away from me, and I'm gonna follow your direction. I promise.
I'm gonna put you right there.
I'm a woman, but I have my word.
Yeah.
He's just taking information for the drug dealer that he
Take a
wants.
seat.
Take my stuff,
Take
please.
a seat. Swing your legs in.
Take my paper.
I understand. Swing your legs in.
The white papers on the floor was
your hood
my
in.
identification.
Watch your foot. I don't want to smash it.
Even restrained, she kept screaming, begging strangers to take him away, insisting she was just waiting for a bus. The chaos only stopped when they sent her for a medical check, her real ride of the day.
Sir, take away my papers from him, please. That's all I ask, please.
Okay, we're here to talk to them.
I don't think they don't want to be transported.
Look how they have. I went to the bus and stop. I was screaming
In order for them to treat you, I'm
911.
going to set you down on this bench.
Take my papers away from him,
Not
please.
right
I'm
now.
begging you. I'm
Right now.
begging you. Put another
Take a seat.
team work for the whole. He's
Take a
gonna
seat.
put more people in danger. Papa, please. Take away my look. He's looking for phone calls.
handle
You're
that.
gonna
Take
put
a
more
seat.
people in danger. Take away my paper from him and then give it to your people.
Take a seat.
I was in the bus stop. Check the camera.
What are you hurt medically?
My neck and my arm. Both arms. They were trying to they jumped on me, both of them.
Okay.
That's why I was screaming to
What's
call
your name?
911.
What's your name?
Mercedes. He's a traffic police. He would always work for the drug dealer. My kid was
I'm just here to speak to you about your medical. We're here for medical.
He bent my neck
Do you want to go to
and
the
my
hospital?
arm.
Decide to go to the hospital.
Please.
Be an ambulance.
And with them, but not with him. He can follow me, but not him. Please.
I can't decide on that, but you want to go by ambulance. Okay. What's your last name?
Yes, I will
But
follow.
so I don't tell you find my identification, my
All right,
white
he's
paper.
in a
moment.
I feel weak and dizzy. That's why
All right. When's the last time you ate?
in the morning when I get up to look for my friend, but they are afraid of these people. He was abusive. I was in the bus stop trying to take the bus because my bus and Greyhound was canceled at 6:51. He's not a good man. He's a fake police. They've been cleaning out good people from before. That's why he's trying to check my stamp and my phone numbers.
I'll talk to him about it. That's not the same one. That's a different one.
You are a coward.
Swing your feet in for me.
You protected the killer of my kids and the raper of my kids. Coward, fake police from.
We're going to go get you checked out, okay?
That's not the first time. They always hit me, even in front of my kids.
Who? Those officers?
At the station, they're everywhere. They all have people working at the airport and the station, bus station. I gave in March 4th, they do the same thing.
In the end, all her kicking, biting, and bus stop fairy tales earned her a tidy list of charges: resisting arrest with violence, resisting without violence, and battery on a peace officer. Chaos wasn't free. She finally got the bill.